So last time we completed with all the 3 pages for this website. Now there is one last thing that is remaining here, and that is this focus part. So as you can see, we have this search field here in this sidebar, and here this text is written that says press / to focus. So this is key event that is going to focus this search field. So if I press /, then as you can see, this field is not getting focused. So for that, I'm going to go into Halfmoon, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'll just go into this core JavaScript library, and here we have to go in this Keydown Event listener. So here, as you can see, this is the field. So here it says if we press this / then this field is going to be focused. So I'm pressing /, and as you can see, this field is now highlighted. That means this is focused. So we already have an input field on our sidebar. The thing that we need is this script. So this is the script that we need. So I'll just copy this, and I'm going to paste this on every single page below this script tag. So I've pasted this on signup page. I'm going to paste it on the login page as well, and I'll be also pasting it on the index.html page. Okay, so now that we have pasted this code, we also need to see that the ID of the element is whatever that is specified here. So if we just scroll above, and this is the sidebar section, and this is that input field. Now here, as you can see, we don't have any ID. So I'm just going to give an ID here, and let's scroll down. So this is the ID that it is searching for. So I'm just going to paste that same ID in here, and I'm going to copy this ID and paste it on the sign up page, and do the same in the login page as well. Okay, so now that is done, so let's test it out. So now I'm going to press / on my keyboard. So as you can see, this field is getting focused. So let's see on the login page if it's working or not. So I'm going to press /, and this is working here as well. So let's see on the sign up page, and / so it is working here as well. So this event is working on all the 3 pages. Now the key that is used is /, and that is defined here. So this is the code for that key. So if you want to change that key, then you have to change the code here and specify the code for whatever key you want. So I'll show you one website here. So this is the website where you can get the code for different keys. So here if I press /, then as you can see, it shows the code for that key. So that is 191, which we just now saw here. So it is also showing the key that is pressed, and I can also press some other key like A, so it is going to show me the code for that. And you can also click on this table button, and this is the table for all the keys and their respective codes, so you can go through this as well. So if you want to change the key, then this is the website that I would recommend. I will give the link for this in the description down below so that you can check it out. So this series is now completed. I hope you like this series. So I'll be creating more websites using different frameworks. So stay tuned for that. But that's it for this one, and I will see you in the next one.